Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President Asif Ali Zardari, Chairman Senate, Speaker National Assembly, Honorable Federal Ministers, Parliamentarians, Chief Ministers, Governors, Service Chiefs, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Today is a moment of profound national pride and historic importance for Pakistan. We salute our national heroes, Chief of Army Staff, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, General Sahir Shamshad Mirza, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar, and Naval Chief Admiral Naveed Ashraf. You have led our brave armed forces to a remarkable victory against an enemy caught in its own web of arrogance and hubris. By the grace of Allah Almighty, our armed forces not only defended the nation's frontiers, but also took the battle deep into the enemy's territory. And within no time, the aggressor was brought to its knees and was taught a lesson of its life. Ladies and gentlemen, in the annals of regional conflict and diplomacy, what transpired during those challenging days will not only be remembered for all times to come as an outstanding military victory, but also as a moral and diplomatic triumph. Dear guests, here I would like to acknowledge that at the very heart of this remarkable success lay the bold and fearless leadership of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, who led our armed forces with great sagacity and indomitable resolve. And by the grace of Allah Almighty, the nation was granted a most glorious victory which will be remembered for the rest of our life. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, today we have gathered here to pay our tribute to Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Chief of Army Staff, for his admirable leadership, unflinching courage, and outstanding service to our motherland, as we have just conferred upon him the most prestigious and revered military title of Field Marshal. His command during Operation Bunyan Marsus and his resolute courage in safeguarding Pakistan's sovereignty and territorial integrity not only thwarted the nefarious designs of the adversary, but rewrote the history of warfare that shall continue to inspire generations to come. In those crisis-filled days, I had the privilege to witness firsthand Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir's calm and inspiring leadership that demonstrated a rare blend of valor and vision, faith and foresight, discipline and devotion. Of no lesser significance is the exemplary coordination between the political and military leaderships of Pakistan who have been working together like never before, day in and day out. Ladies and gentlemen, it is primarily on account of these joint efforts that the challenge of an impending economic collapse, as well as the grave threat posed by foreign sponsored terrorism, have been met most effectively and through joint efforts, and with, of course, unwavering resolve, as was demonstrated in the aftermath of the tragic terrorist attack in Khusdar yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, today I join the entire nation in acknowledging the meritorious services of a son of the soil who embodies the finest traditions of the Pakistan Army and whose services shall remain etched in the annals of our national history. May Allah continue to bless our country as we continue our march forward with the same unity and resolve on the path to peace and prosperity. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Armed Forces Pindabad.